Hello friends, today we will learn what is the difference between the delete, remove and pop in Python. So let's start. First we will start with delete. In Python delete is used as a keyword. So we can write delete is a keyword. Let's comment out this. So there will no problem in running in our code. So here delete is a keyword, not a method. But remove and pop, these two are a list function in Python. So let's write here remove, which is a function. So list function, and pop is also a list function. So write here pop is a list function. Friends, the function of all these three delete, remove and pop will be same, but their behavior is different, which we will learn next. So first start with delete. So friends, delete is the keyword which deletes a variable and item from list using index. So right here as delete is used to delete variables and items or elements in list using index of list or index of the those items. So right here and items from list using index. So we have to pass index of the list as a argument to delete a item, that particular item which is present at that index from the list. So we can learn this from a basic example. So let's write here. First we will see how to delete a variable which is declared in a Python using delete keyword. So let's write I am going to declare here a variable which is a, and the value stored in this variable is 5. So let's print a, so it output will be 5 as we can see. So here output is shown as 5. But if I delete this keyword, I want to delete this variable. So simply write delete keyword, which is del, and after that we have to write a variable which we want to delete. So delete a, and now we will print that particular a variable. So let's save this and run what happened. So here we can see that name error as a is not defined. So here first we got 5 as a output because a has assigned a value 5, but next I am deleting this variable a, so it's give a is not defined as an output. In this way we can delete a variable using del keyword. So if I want to delete a whole list, what I can do, let's see it. First comment out this as here. Now I am declaring a list as lst is equals to, I am giving integer elements. So 1 2 3 and 4. This is my list. I want to delete this whole list. First I will print this list as print lst. It will give me output as this list. So let's save and run the code. Here is the output as 1 2 3 4 elements in list, but I want to delete all the list. So I have write delete lst, which is list, and then print output. The output is same. lst is not defined because I deleted it previously, so it shows list is not defined. What if I want to delete a particular number which is 2 from the list? What I will do, let's write a code for it. I have to give only a index number which I want to delete from the list. I have to give a index of that particular element. So here 2 is present at index 1, as index of 1 is 0, 2 is 1, 2, 3. So here I want to delete this value 2, so which it is present at index 1. So I am passing here 2 as index, 1 as index. So our value present at index 1 will be deleted. So let's save this code and run. What will be the output? Yes, output will be the 1 3 and 4. The value which is present at index 1 is deleted. In first print statement I have write whole string, whole list, but in second print statement it will only shows a output as 1 3 and 4 because element present at index 1, which is 2, will be deleted. So in this way, this delete keyword, we can use this delete keyword in Python. Now we will learn what is remove function of list. Let's comment this first. And now comes to the remove function. So here friends, remove is the built-in function, list function in Python, which deletes item from the list using values. In previous case, for delete keyword we use if index, we are passing index to delete this element, but in remove function we have to give direct value. We can give direct value as 2 to delete from the list, so it will delete 2 from the list. So let's write here remove function deletes item from list using value, Let's see what will be the syntax for this remove list function. So right here syntax as a particular list name from which we have to delete a value. So here list name, and then referencing operator used as dot because remove is a function used for list. So here right here remove, and then pass a value which we have to delete from the list as argument to this remove function. So right here value. Next we will learn this using a simple example, as you all can learn it better with an example. So let's take an example for this remove function. So I will declare a list as same in previous case, which is list is equals to 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. And then I want to first I will print this list. So print this whole list, and let's check output. It will give us output as whole list. So here is the output as 1 2 3 4. So now I want to delete a element 2 from the list. So I will write here, as per the syntax, we have to give first list name. So I will write here as list, which is list name, then dot referencing operator, then remove function, and we have to pass 2 as a argument to this remove function. There will only one argument which we have to pass, and I want to delete it from this list. So now print this list again. Let's save it and check what will be the output. As we can see, output is 1 3 and 4 only, as value 2 which is element present in this list is directly deleted from this particular list. In previous case, as in a delete keyword, we have to pass a index to this list, because here we have to delete 2. So delete is present on at an index 1. So we had passing the index 1 to this list, but here in remove function we have to pass a value which we want to delete. So here I want to delete this value 2, so I passed it to this remove function, which is directly deleted from this list. Suppose I want to delete this 4 from this list, so I will pass 4 as a argument, and let's save and now run. It will deleted 4 from this list. I am passing a value to this remove function as an argument, not a index, so it is deleting this value. Suppose there are two same values for the particular element. Let's say 2 is repeated 3 times. So right here 2 and again 2. Here 2 is 2 times, and I want to delete. If I am passing value as 2, it will only delete the first value, not next repeated values. Let's save and let's check output. The output in the output we got only 2 removed, first 2 removed from this list, not next 2. It will only remove first value from the list. So in this way remove function works. Now we will learn pop function in Python. So let's come to the pop. Here is pop function. Pop is also the built-in method in Python list, but it deletes a value at particular index. So we have to give index as a argument to this pop function. So we can write here as pop function deletes value at particular index. Particular index. In delete function, in delete keyword, we will pass a index which we the values at that particular index we have to delete. Same in case of pop function, we have to give index of that particular element which we want to delete, not a value present at this particular index. we will pass the value in remove function, not in pop function. In pop function we use index at of that particular element. So syntax of this pop function is same because it is also a list function. Only we have to give here index as an argument. So we can copy this. Let's paste here. First is list name, then a dot referencing operator. In place of remove we will use pop as a function, and we'll pass instead of value we will pass here as index as a argument. So let's check this with an example. Let's take a same example as the previous. So let's copy this list. I will delete remove these two which are repeated, and first print this list. Here is the list. Now I am using pop function here. I want to give first list name as a list, then dot, then pop function, and I am here passing index as a argument to this pop function. I suppose I want to delete these three from this particular list. Here 3 is present at index 2 because 0 1 2 3 1 2. So I am passing here 2 as the index. So because I want to delete 3 from this list, 3 is present at index 2, so I will pass index as 2 and then print this list after deleting the 3 from the list. Save this and run. So here is the output. First a print statement give us a whole string as an output. In second statement we get 3 deleted from this particular list. Output will only be 2 1 2 and 4. The element is present at index 2 which is deleted from this list. Suppose I want to delete this 4 from this list. Here 4 is present at index 3. Here 1 is present at 0, 2 is present at 1, 3 is present as 2, and 4 is present at index 3. So I have to give 3 as the index here. Now I will save this output and print. So here 4 is deleted from this particular list. In this way pop list function works in Python. There is no major difference between the remove and pop functions. We have to only pass index in path function as an argument and value as an argument in remove function. This is the basic difference between pop and remove, as both are list functions. So as we learn, the behavior is different only for these 3 functions, but the work for these three are same. So friends, I think you all are cleared with the difference between delete, remove and pop in Python. So have a good day. Thank you friends for watching this video.